By merely watching YouTube video, you can continually earn $15, $14, or even $100. You may ask how to make money watching YouTube videos. To begin, all you need to do is click the video and watch. This is a proof how individuals from various countries around the world can earn money by just watching YouTube video. Don't worry, this is completely legal and free, and this is accessible in any country in the world. All you need is a computer or a smartphone. You've been scrolling through YouTube for hours, but have you ever stopped to consider the possibility of being actually rewarded for your viewing time? We have something revolutionary to show you, the chance to get paid to watch YouTube videos. We'll talk you through exactly how this works and why it could be an amazing opportunity to make some extra money. With just a few clicks, you can start earning cash without leaving your couch. So buckle up and get ready to start earning for your viewing habits. I'll give you a ton of examples and proof in the video. You can follow along step by step. Tips for maximizing your earnings. I will reveal a little secret about how to make up to $500 to $1,000 if you stick with me through the end. Make sure you pay attention and don't miss anything. Before we start, welcome to Digital Success, where I'll teach you how to earn money online while sitting in your comfortable home. Subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell. Whenever I get a new strategy on how to make money online, I upload it here and you will be updated. You can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any question or opinion about the video, just leave a comment down below. I will reply to every comment as much as I can. Let's start. Step 1. Sign up for Insta GC. First things first, you'll need to sign up for an Insta GC account. Insta GC is a popular reward platform that allows you to earn points by completing various tasks, including videos, completing surveys, shopping online, and search the web. Currently, this website paid more than 1,436,500 gift cards. You have a variety of payment alternatives when you cash out your money, such as PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, and gift cards and direct deposit. I'll show you all the payment proof. Many people have already cashed out their money. Without any experience, anyone can complete this, and I'll provide numerous examples of how to increase your income. On this platform, you can make hundreds of thousands just by watching YouTube video. To sign up, simply head over to instagc.com. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your username and create a password. Enter your email address. Click the sign up button and check your email to confirm your account. Step 2. Navigate to Watch section. Once you have signed up and logged in, you'll see a dashboard with different tasks you can complete to earn points. To start watching videos, click on the Earn tab in the main menu and watch video. Step 3. Choose a video playlist. In the Watch section, you'll find a variety of video playlists to choose from. These playlists cover different topics, so you can pick something interesting. Each video you watch will earn you a certain number of points. But let me pause for a second. If you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. Step 4. Watch videos and earn points. Now comes the fun part, watching videos and earning points. Just click on a playlist and the video will start playing automatically. Make sure to watch the entire video, as you will only earn points if you complete it. As you can see here, you can see reward points, so every one video you watch plus 8, you will earn points. Every 100 points is equivalent to $1, making such point worth $0.01. You only need 100 points before being able to cash out for a voucher. The points you earn will be added to your account balance. Step 5. Redeem your points of rewards. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for various rewards such as gift cards, cash, or even cryptocurrency. To redeem your points, head over to the Redeem tab on your dashboard and choose your preferred reward. Tips for maximizing your earnings. To make the most out of your Insta GC experience, here are a few tips. 1. Be consistent. Try to watch videos daily to accumulate points faster. 2. Complete other tasks. In addition to watching videos, you can also earn points by completing surveys, offers, and other tasks on Insta GC. 3. Refer friends. Insta GC has a refer program that allows you to earn a percentage. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. I'll see you in the next video.